Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Kaylee and I am currently on maternity leave and I'm doing videos with my baby daughter. I usually do them with my mum, but she's currently travelling from London to Marrakesh on a race. I'll link her channel below because I'm sure I'll be editing vlogs for her. But we're currently at Saltburn-by-the-Sea. I've never been here before, so join us for a day out. So we've just finished up having a hot drink and a snack. I'm a bit of a hot chocolate connoisseur because I don't drink caffeine, but yeah, there's a nice hot chocolate. Can't remember what the cafe's called, but if I remember it I'll put it below. But yeah, gonna have a stroll now and see what we can find in Saltburn. So we're currently on the pier at Saltburn. It's very windy, so you probably can't hear me. Oh, look at the size of those waves. So we're gonna try go here to the what's it called? Sea View restaurant. That one there with the triangle booths. No idea if it's pram friendly, but we'll give it a go and we'll let you know. So we've just been for food at the Sea View restaurant. That was really nice actually. We had the crab sandwich, which I think is being recommended by Fred Syriac, is that how you say his name? And Nadia from Bake Off. That was really nice, and I also had the scallop and risotto, and I recommend that as well. We're just having a walk along the promenade. Like the beach goes on for miles. Waves are still really high. I guess they're high here all the time because there's a couple of surf shops here. I forgot to say about the restaurant as well that it was pram friendly and there's a little accessible lift as well for disabled people, and we got the pram in no problem at all. Got a little funicular that comes down to the promenade and then back into town, and that costs £2 per adult. It's coming down. So the next few clips are from our afternoon tea at Grantley Hall. I didn't film too much there because it was quite busy actually, and we were there to celebrate my birthday, and also they did a little congratulations thing to celebrate the birth of Rosie. But I hope you enjoy the clips of the afternoon tea. I did get it so nice there, like highly recommend. bit on the pricey side, but we've been twice this year and last year for my birthday, and yeah, I'd like it to become a tradition, but probably not in our budget, maybe for special occasions. But yeah, have a look, see what you think of the afternoon tea. It was so good. The pastries are fantastic, so delicate and well put together. I'll actually put the pastry chef's Instagram down below, because yeah, have a look at his Instagram, it's fab. Thank you for watching the vlog. If you did enjoy it, please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Like, I am on maternity leave, just doing this because, you know, I enjoy it, and hopefully we can look back in the future, me and Rosie, and see the adventures that we've been on together, and my mum as well, because she usually joins us. But thank you, bye.